I'm going to show you how I did these little wonky squares. They're just little 9-patch, and I'm going to put them together into a cute little table topper. This is a Scribble Monster fabric right here, and it goes along with this, which I am going to fussy cut and outline some of these cute little pumpkins, which are also Scribble Monster. Okay, so here we have our strips that I cut out, and we're just going to sew them together, and I'm just using plain old cotton piecing thread in an off-white color, and I'm going to take this first one here. We're going to sew the curvy sides together, and we are going to take and start out with the edges as straight together as we can, like that. Put it under the machine, and excuse me while I adjust. There, you can see what I'm doing. Pick up this foot here and needle down position. We're going to want to have the needle down to anchor while we're easing this around, the same way you would any other curved piece, garment sewing, stuff like that. So I'm at about the middle of the curve there, so I know I need to start easing. Usually when you find yourself getting to the edge where they start to go away from each other, take a couple more stitches and then lift your foot again and kind of massage the material into place where you need it to be. And I find it very helpful to use a piecing foot with this guide so that I can just kind of butt the fabric right up against that. Works out really well. And there's a couple more stitches there because again, I'm coming away from where the two fabrics were meeting. So I'm going to pick up one, two, pick up, one, just do one there. Kind of get the hang of this as you go, and you'll do quite a bit of this before the day is done, or before the project is done. And there you see that you actually look like you have a fairly straight seam, but when you open it up, you see you're wonky. Lots of fun. Fabric is starting to converge here, and right at the top of your screen there, and so I'm just going to pick up the foot and ease and pick it up and ease a little more. You can see I'm gathering gathers over here on the side as I move down. Just smooth those back every so often. Keep sewing. Here I am at the top of another curve, and I'm just going to pull that over, and there we go. So again, we have the fairly straight seam now, and when we open it up, it's kind of hard to see. Wonky strip.